it's your girl Cassie here. Hi, hello, and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning out my makeup organizer and I'm going to be washing my makeup brushes. Pretty much just cleaning my vanity slash desk overall. If you didn't know, hopefully you did, you should always make sure that your makeup products are up to date. Make sure to always check the ingredients list on whatever products you're using because you want to avoid heavy metals like mercury and other toxins. Before I sat down for this video, I did a little bit of research and apparently you're supposed to get rid of powdered eyeshadows every 2 years, ink eyeliners and mascaras every 6 months, and any type of cream makeup should probably be disposed of after 8 months. That's it for the intro, so let's get cleaning. Alright, so this is what we're dealing with. You know, just a couple markers, a pencil, a sock, a glass for some reason, and earrings, and a very, very gross makeup sponge. Ew. Alright, so first things first, we're just gonna remove this little fan and put it over there. I got this Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is a year old, so I'm pretty sure it's fine. Now let's go through this drawer. This drawer has a bunch of old lipsticks and lip glosses in it. Obviously, these lip glosses are pretty old, so I'm just gonna put them over here. And yeah, old, pretty old. I love this color, but again, pretty old. I have some Q-tips that I use to like wipe away smudged lipstick and mascara, so ew. So I'll throw that there. I got a little Jo Malone sample. Put this over here with the perfumes. I have this little Essence lip liner, and this is pretty new actually, so this will stay. I'm gonna put everything that I want to keep over here just for now. Alright, so then we have this. This is kind of old, but I really like the color. Should I get rid of it? Probably. Am I? No. I have this little watermelon lip balm. I'm going to keep this just because it tastes good. I have this. This is gross because it's old, so gone. Trash. And yeah, this is pretty old too. I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna throw these out. This is just where I kept all of my little makeup sponges, my Q-tips that have never been used. And yeah, that is this drawer, but there's like obviously not that many of these in here. So because I'm gonna clean out all of the drawers, like wipe them down and everything, I'm just gonna take it out for now. Okay, and then for this drawer, these are all of my eye products. So my mascaras, my eyeliners, my lash curler, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I just got this. This is pretty good actually, but yeah, this is new, so we're keeping it. This is also pretty new, so I'll keep this as well. I have this brow gel, which is kind of old and pretty much gone anyways, so yeah, that's going. And then I have this jumbo eye pencil from NYX, and this is pretty new, so keep. This is a highlighter pencil, and this is pretty old and it doesn't really get used that much, so we'll get rid of it. This is obviously trash. Another mascara wand type thing, and just throw that over there. Then I have this Almay liquid liner, which is not super old, so I'll keep it. I got this lash glue. This is good. This is pretty new as well, so this will go in the stay pile. And this, I know for a fact, is really, really old. And this is old too. And then I have my Shiseido lash curler, and this is kind of musty, so we're gonna have to clean this for sure. I'll just put it over here for now. Oh yeah, I also have this palette, which I got around Christmas time, just like a Christmas kind of palette, so keeping this one. This drawer is all of my brow products. This is old. New, don't know where the cap is for it, but it's fine. This, I love this. This is such a good brow gel from Morphe and pretty inexpensive, and yeah, keeping it. Another e.l.f. brow pencil. Old Burt's Bees pencil, that can go. This pencil, which is pretty short, but it still works, so we're gonna keep it. Next drawer is all of my, oh god, it's falling out. Okay, so now that I have all that sorted out, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move all the makeup that's on my desk right now, and I'm going to move it to my bed. Now I'm going to clean my desk and wipe things down, so let's go do that. Alright, so the next part is washing everything. I'm going to fill the sink with water and pour in a little bit of pine sol. I'm going to start off by washing off this part of the makeup organizer. Then I'm going to do all the drawers. Then I'm gonna wash this part. And for these pieces of felt, I'm just gonna go lay them on a drying rack so that they can air dry. Then I'm gonna rinse out my spray bottle.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do is wash my makeup brushes. So to do this, I'm just gonna wipe down the sink and prepare it. I'm gonna take my makeup brushes and I'm just gonna drop them into the soapy water, along with the little cup that I used to hold them. Alright, the last thing I'm going to wash is my eyelash curler. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a paper towel, wet it a little bit, and then I'm just going to wipe away the gunk on the metal. After the drawers were dry, I noticed that they had little water droplet stains on them, so what I did was I grabbed a bottle of Windex and then I just sprayed them down and wiped them off. After I did this, all of the drawers were completely clear and spotless. And here you can just see me putting everything back together. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to go down below and click that like button and also subscribe to my channel. And let me know down in the comments below if I should do more videos like this because, I don't know, there's just something really satisfying about filming cleaning videos. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye!